In this video, I'll show you how to create a PayPal account step by step. By the way, if you're a business owner, PayPal might not be the best solution for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to create a PayPal account, first open your browser and go to paypal.com. Once you're there, look at the top right corner and tap on Sign Up. Now you'll see two options, personal or business. For this tutorial, choose personal, then tap Get Started at the bottom. Next, type in your email address and tap Next. Then enter your mobile number and tap Next again. Now create your password. Make sure it's 8 to 20 characters long and includes at least 2 of these: letters, numbers, or symbols. Once done, tap Next. Now fill in your first name, middle name, and last name, making sure it matches your official ID. Then tap Next. After that, add more details like your nationality, your ID type, your ID number, and your date of birth. Then tap Next when you're done. Now enter your address by typing in your street name, house number, subdivision, and district. Next, check the box that says you confirm that you have read the terms. And if you want to receive offers from PayPal, you can check the second box as well. Then tap Agree and Create Account. Next, PayPal will ask if you want to link a card. If you want to do that now, enter your card number, card type, expiration date, security code, and billing address, then tap Link Card. If you prefer to do it later, just tap Not Now. Your PayPal account is now created and ready to use. PayPal is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what PayPal offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.